Aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. Aha channel m bụ Igbo Academy. Tata anyị ga-ekwu maka mkparị. Mkparị in Igbo is insult. Sorry, in English is insult. Mkparị a na-akparị ndị mmadụ. Mkparị a na-akparị ndị mmadụ. That's insults, that things are used in insulting people. Mkparị. To insult somebody means mkparị or ineda mmadụ. Or ịgwa mmadụ okwu ọjọọ. That's the bad words you can tell someone. The insults, the bad words. That's what you call them, okwu ọjọọ. Ị ga-agwa mmadụ. So I'm talking about 30 popular ones. Number 1 is onye ara. Onye ara. Ibu onye ara. Remember umboro. When we talked about umboro, that is a figure of speech which is metaphor. You are. When someone tells you you're a pig, it means that you're dirty. It's a metaphor. You're a mad person, it means that you're a mad person, true. So 1 is onyara. And onyara means mad person. Someone tell odiki na yara. It's as if you're getting mad. Odiki bu onyara. Onyara porum nozo. Mad person, get out of my way. Number 2 is onye iberibe. Onye iberibe. Ibu onye iberibe. It means that you're a mad person. You're a foolish person, sorry. Onye iberibe, stupid person. Ibu onye iberibe, foolish person, you're a stupid person. Onye iberibe, onye ara, onye iberibe. Number 3 is isi ewu, goat head. Lenoge, isi ewu. Look at you, goat head. Until one tells you goat head, the person is probably angry with you. Not that you have a goat head though, but the person is angry. Number 4 is isi aki oyibo. Isi aki oyibo means coconut head. Isi aki oyibo, coconut head. When someone tells you that you have isi aki oyibo, it means that you are very stubborn. Isi aki, your head is very stubborn. You're very, very stubborn. Number 5 we have ishiuku. Ishiuku. Ishiuku means big head. Big head. Nenege. If you are called ishiuku. Ishiuku problem nozo. Ishiuku big head, get out of my way. Then ishiuku ge. Look at your big head. The number 5 we have nkitara. Nkitara. Nkitara means mad dog. Nkitara means mad dog. Nkitara, mad dog. Neneki na abo ka nkitara. Look how you're barking like a mad dog. Or problem knows abozina ka nkitara. Get out of my way. Don't bark like a mad dog. Probably if you're exchanging words with somebody, the person will call you nkitara. Nkitara mechiono. Mad dog, close your mouth. So you know that the argument or the quarreling is heated. Number 7 we have anofia. 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 Anofia means wild animal. When you behave somehow, the person is so angry with you, the person might call you anofia, meaning that you're a wild animal. Number 8 we have anumanu. Anumanu. So people will just say ano. They will not put the manu. Anumanu means animal. Anu too means animal. The short form of animal. So when you do something that is bad, there is one of these my in-laws that when they are angry, once you hear Anna, hey, you are from Ukehe, Anna. Now you say the person don't have your yes. The person has finished you. Anna means that you're a wild animal. And there is nothing as bad as someone calling a human being an animal. Just imagine, as you find finish, as you find reach, somebody will just look you, call you animal. It's so bad. So animal, but if the person makes you angry and behaves like an animal, you call that person an animal. The number 9 you have onyimeji. Onyimezi. Onyimezi means bush person. Bush person. Ibu onyimezi. You're a bush person. Ordinary things you don't know. Or someone will tell you, like, let me say, maybe example, our mothers. They will tell me Aziza, and you go, you don't know what is Aziza. She'll be like, hey, Onyimezi, bush human being. So you don't know what the meaning, you don't know what broom means. The next one is Onyimo Obodo. Onyimo Obodo is a village person, somebody that stays, a primitive person that stays inside the village. That never even seen, there's some villages that people have not even come out of that place. That they've never even seen, I don't know, street lights before. When they say electric light, they'll be like, ah, what is this? Those are people that you call village people. Onyimezi. Onyimo Obodo, village person. Then next one, number 11 is Riense. 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 Mostly people that are elderly that used to tell small children or anyhow, but small children cannot insult their elderly. The elderly people though, it's prohibited, it's not good. But you can just see one woman should be passing and she'll be like, Chioma, okay, from, didn't you see me? Okay, Maroni get kenem, didn't you know that you greet me? Liense. Chioma, liense. Chioma, eat poo. Liense means eat poo. Okay, from, okay, Maroni get kenem. Chioma, eat poo. Didn't you see me? Didn't you know you greet me? Things like that. When you're supposed to do something, you did not do it, and they'll just say like they'll just throw liense for you. Now you have to behave well. Then number 12, you have Ezi. Ezi. Ezi means pig. And pig is known to be dirty. When someone says that you're a pig, it means that you are very, very dirty. You're smelling. Number Ibwezi means you're a pig. You are dirty. Bieba Ezi. I remember when we were in secondary school, we are sitting in the hostel. They will say, all those na JS1 bụ ndị ezi, bụcha ezi, unu bụcha ụmụ ezi. No, unu bụcha ezi. Unu ada asa akwa akwụkwọ unu. We'll be crying. We used to wash them. Your hands are not strong. You don't wash them very well. Pigs. But we know that it's for the best, for us to learn how to wash our clothes very well and become better people in the future. Number 13, we have Nkaku. Nkaku. Nkaku is a type of rat that has a long nose that smells. Whenever it passes here, the smell is very bad. So if someone calls you, it tells you if you're Igbo Nkaku, you're an Nkaku. It means that you're a very dirty person or that you smell bad. Number 14, we have Itibolibo. Itibolibo is somebody that is very dull. You're a dullard. Itibolibo means a dullard, someone that is very dull. That is slow to learn. The person is very slow to learn. It's Iti. Then you have AD. AD is a type of cat, a civet. It's a civet, African civet. That's what they call AD. So this animal is a nocturnal animal. It is active at night, and during the day it will go into its burrow or into a hole to go and rest. During the day, it will be sleeping. When hunters go and catch it and even bring it home, it will even know that they've carried it, because that's the time that it's sleeping. So when someone tells you that you are an AD, it means that you sleep a lot. You sleep that even if people come to your house and carry everything out of your house, you will not know, because you are sleeping. You like sleeping. So anybody that likes sleeping a lot is called AD. Then number 16, we have Agaba. When someone calls you Agaba is one who walks around a lot. You walk around, waka waka. In pidgin English, you call it waka waka. You waka too much. You too waka. Iba Agaba. You're a waka waka. You wakanda too much. Your waka is too much. That's the meaning of Agaba. Then Number 17, we have Onya Asiri. Onya Asiri is a gossip. Let me give you an example. If adults are discussing and a younger person, you just pass through, instead of you to go to where you're going to, you just walk slowly to to see if you can hear more of what they're talking about. Then you're a gossip. You see that they will turn and be like, Onye asịrị. Ị na-achọ nke ị ga-asị. Ịma ngawa ebe ị na-aga. A gossiper. You're looking for what to say. Won't you go to where, for a gossip that you tell others? Won't you go to where you're going to? Then number 18 is akpịrị tontom. Akpịrị gị buka. Akpịrị tontom. Akpịrị means someone that has, there's a greedy eater. Any place you go, you want to eat. Any place you go, you want to eat your longer throat. If it's in pidgin English, they say it's longer throat. Your longer throat too much. And akpere tonton. Your longer throat is too much. Then number 19, we have also. Also is bat. Also is bat. Also is a bat. When someone tells me, also, you know how they also. You're like a bat. You are a bat. Also, the bat, come here. It means that you're a very ugly person. A very ugly person is also. Then you have waka. When someone tells you waka, it was a word that is gotten from Hausa. Uwarka, something like that. Yes, in Hausa, Uwar is your mother. Your mother. Uwarka, your mother. So, it's a borrowed word from the Hausa language. The Igbo people then adopted it. Now it's waka. Any small thing. Once you see they say waka, the person will bring the 5 fingers out and spread them and give it to you like waka. That's another one. Some that lived in the north will be like waka shege buru banka shege banza. Well, it's what I'm talking about too. Number 21, you have Sebapo. Sebapo means get out of here. Sebapo. Get out of here. Get out. I don't want to. Get out. Get out of here. I don't want to see your face. That's it. That's what it means. Because Sebapo, please get out of here. Sebapo. Sebapo. Number 22, we have Ashawo. Ashawo, that's an insult. The popular insult you'll be hearing in Igbo land. Mostly, they used to call women. And Ashawo is a prostitute. Even if you're not a prostitute, you still get that name. You might be walking on the road. If someone that is selling something, tell you to come and buy. Let me assume you're in the market onitsha. Neck, my color, bia go lafia. Yeah, we can't get you, trouser, shirt. You be like, leave me alone, don't touch me. It is namaka. You be like, come get away. Say, I shower again. I shower like you. You not done anything to the person, no. You don't even know the person from Adam. That's the first day you're seeing the person. And the person is already insulting you, Ashawo. So, if you see it, you should know that it's one of the popular insults. Number 23, we have Efulefu. Efulefu is a worthless person, a useless person. The person, there are some families that you just go to that you just see one person. Others are going up, you're coming down. Others will go and hustle and get money and get things and bring to the family. They will buy things and put in your, maybe in the sitting room. That one will go and carry it and go and sell. Person is just being useless for no reason, just spoiling the family. That's what we call a Efulefu. A useless or a worthless person. Then number 24, we have Ifurokod. It means, can't you see how you are? Ifuroked. Can't you see how you are? That's another insult. Ifuroked. Unyara. Ifurokod. Unyezuzu. Ifurokod. Can't you see how you are? The way you look at if record, then if record, the way they will keep their face and talk to you, you know that you've done something wrong. Then number 25, 5. Oh, we have ewu. And ewu is goat. When someone calls you a goat, ewu de kage, it means that you're a foolish person, you're a stupid person. That's why they are calling you ewu. Number 25, we have atụrụ. Atụrụ or onye nzuzu. Akpọ gị atụrụ mana ị na-ezuzu ezu. Or you're a stupid person. You know how atụrụ is a sheep. You know how sheep used to move without sense. Atụrụ is a very stupid person. A very, very stupid person. Onye nzuzu, ị na-ezuzugharị. Na ya eme ka atụrụ. You're acting like a sheep. You're acting like a stupid person, a foolish person. That's atụrụ. Then we have Amadioha Gbagbuogi. Amadioha Gbagbuogi. Amadioha is the god of thunder, the god of the sky. Gbagbuogi means that thunder should come and strike you dead, should come and kill you. May the god of thunder strike you. Then the next one is 27. We have Ochogbage. Ocho. Ocho gbagbukwa there. Ochogbage ebe ahụ. What's the meaning of Ocho? Ocho means bad luck. Bad luck should, as in, sting, catch you and kill you. Bad luck should follow you. Bad luck should tell you everything that bad luck, everything that bad luck can do, should do it to you. So it's not something good that you should. The insults are not things that are good, but these are things that you hear. Number 28, you have Nkitara Chaganya. Nkitara Chaganya there. Nkitara Chaganya bang. Nkitara Chaganya means that may the dog lick your eyes. Or Lachagonu, sorry. Nkitara Chagonu. Or Nkitara Chaganya, it depends. The eyes is the aya, or no, the mouth is the ono. Nkitara Chagonu, may dog lick your mouth. May the dog lick your mouth. Then you have number 9. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. It means may God set you ablaze. May God set you ablaze. As if you never see where God is setting somebody ablaze. These are some of the insults. So the popular ones that you hear, they are not good, they're quite good, but you hear them. Then the last one is akpịrị. Okay. Kitikpa. Akịrịkpakpa gbaa gị. Akịrịkpakpa gbaa gị. Akịrịkpakpa. Hey, Jesus, akịrịkpakpa. Akịrịkpakpa gbaa gị ebe ahụ. Akịrịkpakpa means leprosy. May leprosy strike you. That's what it means. Akịrịkpakpa gbaa gị. May leprosy strike you. So these are 30, I think, of them, of the popular insults you hear when you come to Igbo land. You hear them, but they are insults. Not that they are good though. It's not good to insult somebody. And to insult someone means ịkparị mmadụ or ibu mmadụ ọnụ, to curse somebody. They are not good though, but these are the 30 insults. These are some 30 insults that you hear. I'll go through them again. Onye ara, onye iberibe, isi ewu, isi aki, isi ukwu, isi aki oyibo, sorry, isi ukwu, nkịta ara, anụ ọfịa, anụmanụ, onye ime ezi, onye ime obodo, rie nsị, ezi, nkakwu, itibọlịbọ, edi, agaba, onye asịrị, akpịrị tọmtọm, ụsụ, waka, si ebe a pụọ, ashawo, efulefu, ifuru ọka ọ dị, ewu, atụrụ onye nzuzu, Amadioha gbagbuo gị, Ocho gbaa gị, nkịta rachaa gị ọnụ, Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ, akịrịkpakpa gbaa gị. So that will be all. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ka emesịa.